In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in PowerPoint, whether you're putting together a presentation for work, school, or just looking to add some interactive elements to your slides. Mastering the art of hyperlinking can significantly enhance your PowerPoint skills. Not to worry, it's pretty straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you understand the ins and outs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be hyperlinking with confidence. First things first, let's launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you're not immediately prompted with the option to open an existing file, you'll typically find a list of recent documents or an Open Other Presentations option on the left-hand side of the opening screen. Navigate through your folders and select the PowerPoint file you wish to edit, double-click the file or highlight it and press Open to load your presentation into PowerPoint. Now that you have your file open, let's get down to business. You'll notice the ribbon menu at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on the Insert tab to reveal a variety of options for enhancing your presentation. From here, we're interested in the Links group. It's typically located towards the right side of the ribbon menu. Once you find it, click on the option labeled Link. A dialog box will pop up. This is where you'll insert your hyperlink. At this point, you might notice the dialog box offers you several choices. You can link to an existing file or web page, create a new document, or even link to a specific slide within your presentation. Depending on what you're aiming to achieve, select the option that best suits your needs. For instance, if you're linking to a website, you'll want to choose the existing file or web page option. After selecting the type of link you want to create, it's time to input the details. If you're linking to a web page, for example, you'll need to enter the URL in the designated field. Make sure it's correct. Even a small typo can lead to a dead end and confuse your audience. On the other hand, if you're linking to another slide or a file, you'll navigate through your folders or slide list to select the target of your hyperlink. Once everything looks good and you've double-checked the details, go ahead and click OK to finalize the hyperlink. You'll notice that the text or object you've decided to hyperlink now displays differently, often underlined and in a different color, indicating it's clickable. Before you move on, it's crucial to test your hyperlink. Simply shift to the slideshow view or hold down the Ctrl key and click the link. This step ensures everything is functioning as expected and your audience will have a seamless experience during your presentation. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully added interactivity to your PowerPoint presentation by incorporating a hyperlink. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes, and soon enough you'll be hyperlinking without even needing to think about the steps. Hyperlinking in PowerPoint is not only a useful skill, but also a fantastic way to enrich your presentations, making them more engaging and informative. It allows you to connect your slides to additional resources, supporting documents, or even other sections of your presentation, swiftly guiding your audience through your narrative in a more interactive manner. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and encourages you to explore the vast functionalities PowerPoint offers. There's so much more you can do to elevate your presentations, and mastering these small yet impactful features can truly make a difference. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital skills.